How to scan documents with your iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Notes on your iPhone and then tap on the Create button and open Notes to create a note. Now tap on the attachment icon you see there at the bottom and you will see the option for Scan Documents in the menu. Tap on the Scan Documents option and now position the document in view and then tap on the camera startup button. With this, your document will be scanned, so you can go ahead and make any adjustments if required and then tap on the Keep Scan option you see there and then tap on the Save button, and with this, as you can see, your scanned documents is all set. So this is how you can scan documents with your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.